Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. There's a viral video of a girl asking for it love from ODJ Kari while he is performing. The girl was busy making my sign language lapana ukuthi uqala itoflofo azathi nje kancane nje kanyane kancane nje ngiyahubela. Hi, bo guys. So one thing about cameramen, what DJ Kari, tata all those moments and to trend, and it's not the first time it's bona a girl doing something like this with DJ Kari, and I know what ma-artist lamani ngayakuthola lokune but man, DJ Kari ngathi worse. I don't know what's worse, or the reason why isibona ngathi worse, it's because cameraman wakhe uhlezi wathatha like those moments, like usebenta overtime that guy kuthatha such videos, or like over time icamera beyithe nje ukugele abusy aqela nje ukuthi nje kancane nje khanyane kuyahubela, and she is trending, and now everyone's just talking about her ukuthi gele avuti phatha kabi, or people are just saying ukuthi imagine kube girlfriend yakho lena, like as a guy nje uhamba ngqono akuba ne girlfriend lefana naye kwenda tinto njena. I understand ukuthi like she was drunk, probably she was drunk, but there's no need ukuthi uhlaze njena nje yalo masakabona le video circulate kuma social media platforms uphathe kanjani bese umuntu uyasuka lapho uyadebulala because uyabona ukuthi uhlazekile but utfakile ogibeni, or maybe she's just someone ke ukuthi never mind, or ngisho ayibona le video she wouldn't even care. Buka nalo mbuka kanjani DJ Karen, like my looks lanjani la, imagine ay girlfriend yakho uyayibona DJ Kari. Some even saying ukuthi said ukuthi this guy it's very, like he's very disciplined, because ngisho kuthiwane or ngisho abantu badala tsonze kanjani kuye like he's just there for the job push husband sakhe, and then off he goes, like akanaso isikhathi ebafati nani njani sheme akanaso at all. So people are saying ukuthi like he's very very disciplined, akafana laba ama-artist ke ukuthi sinomva saka-trenda ukuthi ulele nazibanje ngabo Kabza sakhe ukuthi boKabza bahlezi bathi trendela ngokuba netijapa, but this one shem like he's very very disciplined, and people are saying ukuthi his wife is very like I didn't know Kari ukuthi unemfati, but ngiyayibona ring now that people are mentioning indaba yokuthi unemfati. Yeah, he's very like the girl, she's very like him because guy uyakwati ukutiphatha. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.